Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by confirming the pending update in Controls software. This tells you whether it's downloaded. Once you see a pending install, tap Cancel Update or Decline to stop the install timer. Then, make sure to sever network access. Disable the car Wi-Fi and avoid connecting to hotspots because updates require a connection. If the download is still in progress, cut Wi-Fi now to prevent completion, and proceed to the next step to remove any remaining update activity. Once done stopping the immediate install, you move to prevent the download finishing. Use a phone hotspot with no internet or block your home router for the car. That ensures the OTA cannot resume. Next, reboot the MCU by holding both steering wheel scroll wheels until the screen restarts, which clears temporary update states. Make sure to disable any scheduled update time in software settings and decline app or mobile prompts that offer the update, because those will reinitiate the process automatically. You finish by verifying the software screen shows your current version and no pending updates. That confirms success. Once verified, leave the vehicle asleep and avoid plugging into Wi-Fi or using features that frequently wake the car, since wake events trigger server checks. If the update returns despite those steps, make sure to clear any saved Wi-Fi networks, and, as one key troubleshooting tip, contact Tesla support or schedule service. Persistent OTA installs may require their intervention to remove a queued update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.